Why have a minimalist Sunday reset?
A minimalist Sunday reset routine is about clearing physical and mental clutter to start the week refreshed. By focusing only on essential tasks, you reduce stress, boost productivity, and create space for what matters most. This streamlined approach ensures your home and mind are prepared for a successful, organized week without feeling overwhelmed.
Preparing your space.
Begin by tidying up your key living areas. Pick up out-of-place items, wipe down surfaces, and do a quick vacuum or sweep. Don't aim for perfection, just restore order. A clean environment supports clarity and relaxation, helping you mentally close out the previous week and create a welcoming start to the new one.
Simplify your to-do list.
Prioritize just a few key tasks for the week ahead. Review your calendar, appointments, and deadlines. Identify top priorities instead of creating an overwhelming list. Write these on a notepad or app you trust. Keeping things simple helps you stay focused and reduces the urge to multitask or overcommit.
Reset your mind.
Schedule a moment for mindful reflection. This can be as simple as a short meditation, a nature walk, or journaling your thoughts. Checking in with yourself helps you let go of lingering stress and renew your sense of purpose. A calm mind is essential for a productive and intentional week.
Set up a simple meal plan.
Yes, planning meals ahead saves time and mental energy. Choose a few easy, healthy meals you enjoy. Make a basic grocery list and batch prep ingredients if you have time, but don't overcomplicate. A minimalist meal approach ensures you eat well all week and avoid last-minute takeout decisions.
End with self-care.
Finish your routine with a relaxing activity just for you. This could be reading, a warm bath, or listening to music. Prioritizing self-care on Sunday helps you recharge. By keeping your Sunday reset routine minimal and meaningful, you create a foundation for a focused, energized week ahead.